Today we're going to be looking at how to write numbers in expanded form. To show this, we have a couple of examples that we're going to work through together, so let's get started. In case you're wondering, what exactly is expanded form? Well, expanded form is a way of writing a number where you're going to break up that number by the individual place values within that number in order to show the value of each digit within that number. As we can see here up top, we do have a place value chart to help us with this process, so we're going to use this place value chart to help us with writing our first number of 4,534 in expanded form. We're going to start out with our highest place value, which in this case is our thousands place, and in our thousands place we have a digit of 4, and then in our hundreds place we have a digit of 5, and then in our tens place a digit of 3, and in our ones place a digit of 4. Now that we've written this number in our place value chart, we're going to write this number out in expanded form, starting out with our highest place value, working through to the lowest place value. So we're going to work through this place chart from left to right, or from our thousands to our ones place. Starting out with our thousands place, we have a digit of 4, so that 4 represents 4,000. So we're going to write 4,000 down below, and then we're going to move from left to right to the number that's in our hundreds place. Well, we have a 5 in our hundreds place, so that 5 has a value of 500, so we're going to write our 500. And then we're going to move on to our tens place. Well, in our tens place, we had a digit of 3, so that 3 has a value of 30. And now lastly, our ones place, we have a 4 in our ones place, and that 4 has a value of 4. So now that we've written our first problem in expanded form, we're going to go ahead and clear out this place value chart. Perfect. So now that our place value chart is clear, we're going to fill in our place value chart with the value of our next number, which in this case is 134,502. So we're going to start with our highest place value. So in this case, for our hundred thousands, we have 1. And then for our 10,000s place, we have a 3. For our thousands place, we have a 4. For our hundreds place, we have a 5. We have a 0 in our tens place, so we'll just write a 0. And then in our ones place, we have a value of 2. Now we can start writing this number out in expanded form, working from our highest place value to our lowest place value. Well, in our hundred thousands place, we have a digit of 1, so that digit of 1 represents a value of 100,000. And then we're going to move on to our 10,000 place, which has a digit of 3, so that 3 has a value of 30,000. And then we're going to move on to our thousands place, which has a digit of 4, so that 4 has a value of 4,000. And then with our hundreds place, we have a value of 5, so that 5 is going to be worth 500. And then in our tens place, we have a 0, so we don't have to worry about that one. But in our ones place, we have a value of 2, so we're going to write our 2. So now we've written this number in expanded form. So hopefully by now you understand how to write numbers in expanded form. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.